The song with Deepika is actually a little futuristic song.
A nonsense song with, I think, nonsensical lyrics.
It's a very catchy, peppy number.
It makes your eyes go a little like this. What is this? What is it? Love Mera Hit It?
जो पिक्चर में पिक्चर है उसमें भी I think ये nonsense गाना है.
Because the hero in the film, that is me, Sahir Khan, is actually from the future.
And I happen to be the actress of that song and of that film.
I like this song because it is bindas.
So it's a little strange story.
क्योंकि वो space में travel कर रहे हैं. It was quite a weird concept, but
देखा मैंने हुआ मैं तो crazy. ना 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 कुड़ी है तू sexy. आजा मेरी बाहों में आजा baby love me.
मुझे तू ज़रा सी हंस दिल में जी दे छुपा ले ये मुझको दूर रहे कोई exit.
लव मेरा हिट हिट सोनिए क्यों कर खिट पिट सोनिए बेबी तू है फिट फिट सोनिए.
Future Kai character comes on Earth to look for his brother, and within all that, Deepika's song is this really futuristic, hyper active kind of number on a green set, very Mission Impossible-ish.
This set was being put in this thing for more than a month or so. It took me actually some 10 days to light it up.
I had the opportunity to do a miniature also for the high-tech set. The space scooter comes and lands onto another floating space station where the song happens.
I think it looks spectacular, and it was supposed to be some kind of space city, but it was a huge set, which is always a problem for me to fill it up.
Every day I used to go to the set, put one lights and see this is working, that is not working. And finally when we came to shoot the song, it was looking absolutely stunning.
It looks very rich, and it could be part of Matrix 4 if they ever came to Bollywood.
Farah was very involved in the costumes, and of course we started off with the idea where it would be futuristic and extremely more space-agey, but I think, you know, Farah came in and she wanted it to be slightly more organic and a little more zen.
For Shah Rukh, I went for a very Japanese themed pants and this one-hand jacket, which is only one hand and just as buckles.
Farah wanted to add the glamour element to it, so we have Manish who did the psychedelic prints and colors for me, and Farah had a lot of the input in that. There's shocking pinks, greens, blues. Every look is very distinct and different from each other.
And of course the final look, which is this fully sequined armor t-shirt that Shah Rukh wears, and I think he's the only person on this planet who can look hot in that t-shirt.
Well, Deepika's always, I mean, I worked with her in Om Shanti Om. She was a pleasure to work with. And she looks spectacular, and she's a superb dancer, which I think I've exploited in Billu Baba's song. Because in Om Shanti Om, she got to do a lot of Indian dancing. But in this, there's a lot of Latin American and a lot of hip hop. With Shah Rukh, I have to give energetic steps because that's what he looks best doing. So whether it's going at the back or hopping on one leg or, you know, just doing something, it has to be high energy.
Well, according to me, I think Shah Rukh is a fantastic dancer. He disagrees with that. He's not someone who struggles to get the step right. He just learns it a couple of times with the choreographers, and then he says, "Chalo, chalo, I'll take care of it." And when you finally see the final shot, it's like magic because he's got the step right and he's completely enjoying himself, and I think that's what comes across on screen.
Mayur and Neeraj went crazy in this song. Mayur wrote something, damn it. मैंने rhyme कैसे करे? Hit, fit, fit. एक जगह मयूर ने बोला कि damn it. And
I think it was quite interesting because there's Kit Pit and Fit and I think they're fun lyrics, and I think that's why there's this fun energy on set where Shah Rukh and I were just having a blast.
One thing good about this song does not claim to be an intellectual song. It is a bindas song, जो मन में आया. मैंने हम लोग जैसे बात करते हैं normally वैसे language है ये गाने में.
The album is an amazing mix of different numbers. All of them actually take the film away from the town and take it into a different world and bring it back. So there are these spikes in the film, and I think they happen mainly because of the songs.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.